Now, people, this little boy that you see on the screen is the one that you saw earlier doing what he was doing to the other young man. You want condone a badness? Take the consequences of badness. Now them can't find him. Well, man, I'm not for saying because if I did my youth, I deal with so anything you get. Anything you get. Parents, please teach them pitness. Say, yo, if you live by the gun, you die by it. If you live by being a bully, you go dead by it. Cause one bigger bully out there. You can't go to school and deal with the people them pitney like that. But I make me no want to think if I did phone no pitney that, it might beat up. So if you know that left it in the hands of the police, or would you take matters into your own hands? But welcome back to the channel and leave a like on the video. Subscribe if it's your first time here. Leave your comments and let's get into the hot topics.
All I want to interview Lisa after Uno goes about my watch back that. Uno do it for views. Because I know enough I want to do it for, I'm in a business. Jeffrey, the fix, the whole I want to interview where I scrap it. Lisa I. No, never try to understand. Because she up on her phone and she rant and I go on. I want to take it down and say, oh come. Because when I run competition, I don't want to for views. All I want to pussy. All I want to pussy, the whole I want to. What I want pussy. I can tell you that suck on yourself. I remember I'm not beg my friend from you. Not pussy. Have you no do it for? I wanna laugh. Tell you not pussy. Oh quick. We forget. Say she do this already. Oh quick. She do this already. But you don't want views. When I run competition, you don't want to have views when I run down. Cause I did my family. Me I don't have problem pussy hole. Me I tell you no. Fix and Jeffrey. Me I don't have problem. And I did my family. Suck on the mother. I mean, tell you no pussy.
Yes, Superman. What you kill her? What you kill her mean? Watch out. Yo, let come alive. Watch out.
Now, people, you might be wondering, what the hell is this man trying to do? He's not a firefighter, but he was just trying to help. But uno must wonder, say, which part are burned down? But let me show you the building from a different angle. Check this out. Firefighters are battling a massive warehouse fire on Great George Street in Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland. There are no reports of any casualties. Just after 6 p.m. yesterday, Mayor of Savannah Lamar, Dan Ray Delancey, said the fire was still raging but was somewhat under control based on report from the local fire department. Social media is still reacting in regards to the whole Lisa Hyper being arrested, going on and ran for the last 12 to 14 days. People on social media, at first everyone was bashing her, including me, but then after listening to what Richie Feeling said, we kind of have to just put ourselves in her shoe and think maybe it is mental health. Now, Cargo is saying we should give Caesar unto Caesar what is due, and he's bigging up the police officers for how they treated her, but he's also saying a Cartel Lisa one. Before we get into the clip, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, guys, and check this out.
When the police them do good, enough to make them understand that this is the type of cops we spot we need. Perfect job. Perfect, well done. And so me want soon deal with the male counterpart them too. You know, understand?
Don't touch me. You're not hold my hand already.
So Lisa Hype mouth don't have no manners. I will not don't box her down. You never box her down because you understand say she a got through a whole heap of thing. And I saw police. Sometimes we are got through pussy feelings that kill we. Man take away we girl from we and then sitting there we held chip. You understand? You see, girl take away Lisa Hype man and how her head hot. Hot head.
So while everybody has Lisa mad,
This guy urged Cartel. I'm a fucking come from Portmore, and he urge Cartel say cut off Lisa and cut off some of my man them in a crew. Because when you go up in a life and you make money, he said not everybody go happy for you. Your own friend and we pray you. You must have to cut off everybody before you come back to Jamaica. Listen to this.
So watch out now, peeps. Morning blessings, everyone. Yo, Vybz, Mr. Cartel, Adija Palmer, this is for you. I'm telling this God, man. I man, I me see man for over Portland. I do the video say I don't want your Isaac over here. But here what me I go tell you say, because me no hate any bad man. Me say that England right now, but me I beg you bad man. I say before you come, more you sit down to yourself and pre-war go on the internet, because you need to shuffle the pack of card. Some of the card them in the pack need to come out and go aside. You see me? Lisa Hype need to go one side, go sit down, and couple more man in the crew. Me nah go call them name, cause you know them, you see me? You see this reunion thing where you do when you come, it was a good thing. Zine, just for Freedom Street. But me think say after Freedom Street, you have to cut everybody loose, make them go up on them own. Because here, the pussy them make your feelings. Yeah, them make care feelings. And gunman, you see, if you no sort out this and move up, sometime you know, you see when you make money, you see the old friends them you have, you need to part them. I'm gonna tell you all life run. Friends nowadays is like stepping stone. You step on them for one, you part with them when you reach one next step. And when you reach at the next step is a different set of friend until you reach the top. Try carry them with them and see if them not dry down in the hole. So these side start though. Move up them bumbuckler. Do your work. You a teacher, even though you say everything where Cartel do. Well orchestrated and planned. But this, I don't think you didn't know about this. So Lisa I want to come do and what I try to do to your gunman. So I ask you, madam, shuffle the deck from early before you reach back a yard. And make oof drop from before you reach a yard. Send them a phone call or a text or email and cut them off of the list.
Later, love you.
Love you too, baby.
Bye-bye. Come on. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, man, that's Cartel and see them currently in London, Vybz, at the moment. It look like he can buy one new GLE or a renty. I don't know about it. Me seeing make one caption say open at them town GLE settings and I see them a drive off, or I don't know if I can buy one for himself, but them still there in London. Speaking of Vybz Cartel, Vanessa Bling speaks on her experience while she was in prison, because as you know, she was incriminated. She got charged and she was locked up for a short period of time, and she was in an interview telling us what happened when she went to jail at the time when Cartel was being convicted. Check this out.
We hate her so much. Everybody's eating. Why you don't want to have no meal? And I was like, okay, if she feel like if I don't get food, I'm gonna die, you have it wrong, miss. I'm not gonna die. I used to not eating. It's okay. I got this. And the male cops, he actually took out the food and give me and eat. And I remember like it was so rough. Like when they bring the bucket with food, like they bring the crackers. If now it's 5 of us in the cell, and like it's like a little thing, and then you have the little upstairs and downstairs. But bear in mind, it's like cold concrete. Yeah. And the same place where you eat, you have to defecate, urinate, all of those madness. And they will bring a big bucket of crackers. And like if it's 5 of us, they bring 5 slices of plantain, 5 single. So you know you have to take out 1 single slice of the plantain with some crackers, and they bring you 1 big bucket of sugar and water tea. You have to drink that. I'm like, okay. I remember I was there, I pray. I went to court. My lawyer asked for bail. The judge was like, no, she's not getting any bail. I remember I pray. I was like, Father God, if you're not ready for me to leave here, please take me somewhere where I can get bed. And I remember I go to court and they call up my name in the court and like, Vanessa, you're going to transfer. I'm like, transfer. Then I asked the one of the cops, where am I going? And he said, Fort Augustus. I'm like, damn. At that same time, I think about my mom, because they describe Fort Augustus. It is so rough. And I remember when I going out and my mama hear that I was going to Fort Augusta, she started crying. I was like, mother, I got this. Your daughter got this. Be strong. And I went there. I went to Fort Augustus, and like, it's like the guards there, they went down there and tell the girls that I was coming. Oh my God. Yeah, so when I stepped down there, it's like I went to a show. You know, like when I went to the show and you hear introducing Vanessa Bling and that whole heap of excitement there, I'm like, okay, where am I at? Am I coming to foreign or is a show? I went there, I have my dam. I locked the dam, like it was like 26 girls of us in one dam, but it was big. So you got bed there. Bear in mind, I asked God to take me off this concrete, and He put me on this bed. So I went there. I started going church because they have church. They have Sunday church, Saturday church. But I went to Sunday church because I'm from a Pentecostal background. The girls actually there, they want to do everything for me. Like all my panties, they want to wash. I was like, You can wash everything else, but not the panty. And it was like, it was so cruel there. Like, they treated the girls them so bad. Like when you have fight there, like the police them and the guards, they will never come until fight is over, because for them, they say when they receive you, they receive a body. That's the thing. When I just get there, they say, welcome, we receive a body. I'm like, receive a body. So that for sure you say them don't care if you're dead or not, because you're already dead to them any which way. So while I'm there, I keep praying. I was like, okay, Father God, you take me off the cold concrete that I asked you for. You put me on bed now. It's time for me to go home. My lawyer, I remember, like, I spent so much money trying to get this appeal, and they will not give me the appeal. I remember coming down to Christmas because my mom born Christmas Day. I was like, okay, I'm going to get out of here Christmas. End up, I never get out. Went back to court. The time when I was not expecting it, that was the time I get released. Bear in mind, I get released, it's like I'm still in prison. I get out of Fort Augustus. Now they had me on reporting, like I have to report at the station.
Like probation.
Yes, so I had to report at the station like 3 times, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, from 8 to 2. If I miss 2, they are going to take back the bail. They take away my passport, everything. So, you know, for that 3 years and 9 months, I'm reporting all those times, and I'm going to court 4 times a week, non-stop. It was, I've been through so much, like, but I'm right here right now. I just
notice it from Cartel come out and see one video with Vanessa Bling. Me always wonder. It look like Vanessa just say, you know what? Me I walk wide from the situation, you know, cause see me like me nearly give me freedom for people. But thank God, God got her through the worst, and she did well for herself. You know, sometimes God have to draw we up in our socks, you know, for we realize what we have and make we feel what it feels like to almost lose it. And then now we know how to act accordingly. But big up yourself, Vanessa Bling. This is it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.